gonna hurry up and get ready for this camel ride. It's 7:54. I'm supposed to be downstairs at 8:15. So I need to hurry up. But I did want to put on a little bit of makeup, not a lot. Not really makeup either, just like some concealer and lashes. But then I'm having a full garment. And that face is deep, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. We're at, he said the Berber market, or this is where the Berbers live, I think. Over 400 years old. Oh, I love
crystals. To you about this Berber village in who live the mountains. Then say to here before we are in the first valley, Tahnad Valley. This is one of the oldest villages here, Azro village, 400 years old. This village is not too old than the others. We have older than this one, but the other villages in this road, it's all rebuilt. The only village with old houses, as you can see, the muddy houses, the falling one, those houses is 400 years old.
Wow.
Here used to live the Jewish people with the Berber people at the mountain in these Berber villages. To let you know, maybe you know Morocco is Arabic country, but it's not. Morocco is a Berber country. Because the local of Morocco is the Berber. Because the Berber they used to live in North Africa since 12,000 years. 100 years, always the Arabic people they win. Also, the whole Berber they become Muslim. They convince them to become Muslim. They convert to Islam. Let's go. All good. All good. She's recording everything.
And then there's me.
I want a little elephant.
Elephants.
I love elephants.
Elephant.
I thought I saw one, but no, I don't. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Oh my God. They so pretty. Oh, look. They so pretty. You see you.
Let's go. Come on, girls, leave some space in your phone.
The argan oil?
Cooperative argan oil for women. First of all, we're going to present for you a small breakfast to try the argan oil for food. Have you tried before?
No.
I hope you're going to love it. When we finish, then we're going to show you all the steps, how we get the argan, how it looks, and everything about it. So my name is Sofia, and I'm going to be your guide.
Okay.
If you want to use bathroom, wash your hands.
Oh wow.
So here we have the olive oil, argan honey. Here we have amlo. Amlo like remix between argan honey, argan oil and cacao. We call it Moroccan Nutella. You're gonna love it, I hope so.
Okay. Argan oil, olive oil, argan honey.
It's like chocolate peanut butter. Peanut butter chocolate Nutella. Yeah.
And honey and peanuts. Sometimes peanut or almond. You've been in the rain.
In the
It's
rain?
raining.
You just splashed that tea on me.
No, it's not. See, that's the rain. Cheers. Cheers. Myself in the screen. Hi to myself.
It's Abdul Hadi.
Yes, I am Abdul Hadi.
Abdul Hadi.
The best guide you can have in the Atlas Mountains.
Period. On our way?
Everybody smiles in the same language. Isn't that
Yes.
See, so this is Argan tree in this picture. It's big tree growing in Morocco, especially in the southwest of Morocco. Okay, and this is Argan nut or Argan.
Oh, I can't
fruit.
touch nuts. I'm sorry.
Can't touch.
Yeah.
It's the fruit? Oh, or the nut of the fruit.
They're on the tree over there and you saw them.
Oh, that was the green?
Yeah, they look
Oh, I thought it was olives.
Squeeze by hand and the oil is become out. And from this leftover, we make the black soap for scrubbing in hammam, exfoliation. Okay, so everything is used. Okay, please you understand me?
Yes.
Thank you so much for your attention and your time. So if you have oil, and you can use the gardenia oil and the syrup, do both. It's good for hair like treatment.
Okay. It's like a hot oil treatment.
You did it in order. I don't know what order. This one body lotion.
Okay, Tish is feeling her homeland. Go ahead, girl. Yeah. Hey, y'all, hype her up. Hype her up. Go ahead. Hype her up.
Y'all, we should have came here first. We went to that pharmacy yesterday and it was so much more.
But German left. I mean, how much more do I owe you?
A scrubbing glove, which is great because they don't have hand towels here. Face mask for dark spots and hyperpigmentation.
Is this more person?
Yeah.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Argan scrub for the body, yada yada. Yes, we hit the jackpot now. Okay.
Here we are, guys. Today is a new day with new vlog in Morocco. We're gonna discover Marrakech city with a lovely group. Yay! We got our famous singer right here.
First body has primary smoke, but the secondary is called high smoke, they can sound it, and the second body.
Can go to this place, I will make you a picture.
Okay. Are you crazy? Yeah. What in the world? Get your butt down here. Yeah, we scared.
I'm not driving the bus, we driving. Richard Branson Hotel, that building over there.
Oh. And you shaking the tree? Oh my God. Oh no.
See, that's how he got. See, he went there just right there, and then he climbed.
Oh.
See, everybody thought that it was just
I thought he just jumped.
Yeah.
What is wrong with you?
See you in heaven.
Oh my God, he's crazy.
We gotta get home.
We got Aziz, don't worry.
Okay,
Yeah.
Aziz, you need to come away from.
All right, so
Come over here.
oh.
You need me?
Yeah, we need you over here. This reminds me.
I'm holding my
When you
breath.
look down, you see how you look right down there? And there's nothing, no guardrail, no nothing.
He's so close, bro. He from here, so he know how to whip it. But jeez, I'm kind of nervous. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, look, and the same thing. You see the people climbing up?
Oh, he doing. Oh, little boy.
That's what they do in Tobago too. They would climb up.
Wow. This is.
not the right ones.
I will answer his question. You see what is different between the three valleys? What is special in the third valley? The third valley has become more touristic. The whole three valleys, it's the same. People, Berber people live in it. They live in from agriculture, natural life. Until 27 years ago, things changed in this valley. This valley has become more touristic than the others. The first valley, second valley, they keep living from agriculture. Young people, the new generation, they go to the city to find another job.
So peaceful out here, and our black ass is just out here cracking up. I love black people. We don't mean no harm. We just loud. Hi, kids. I know I heard some kids eat walnuts. Oh.
That's why I crash it. Just.
Can we walk past? Excuse us.
Oh yeah, they have walnuts. Yeah, please. You go in the lift, please.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Over here?
Over here?
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry.
In Morocco, always the man is in charge.
Yeah.
Always men in charge. Until now, even the Arabic, even the Berber in the city, man in charge. Yes.
So this tour.
But me, my woman, she gonna be charged. Mine, in the future. Not married again. But the culture of the Berber people, they never can get married. The single mom, the divorced woman, she never can get married. She gonna still single the rest of her life with her children, because the children do stay with the mom, not with the dad. And yes, and she need to make something to feed their children.
Right.
That's why they are professional to make argan oil and carpet.
Wow.
The women, they don't have skill to make argan oil, they have skill to make carpet. And those carpets, you can say it's handmade.
Wow.
Each of these carpets is taking more than 6 months to make.
Wow.
They don't work the whole day, because as I told you, now things change. The women, they working as the owner of that cooperative. And also they need one man in the cooperative. Every cooperative you go, you will find one man. Like security, look after them, and also they take charge of the payments.
Okay.
And sometimes, now, in this moment now,
Because all the men are gone. They can make their own decisions.
I
will hope so.
Yes,
So
not only.
sad.
Also, this man, he's a National Geographic.
Wow.
Come again.
Oh. Oh, you was on. That's you.
Yeah. And
Wow.
also, if you want to learn about what I say about the woman, diverse woman, you
Yes.
see, this is one family. They take a picture for one family. Look how many children they have.
Wow. Yeah, because they didn't really have a choice.
Yeah. Reasonable plans.
Wow.
If you read about this one, you're gonna learn about how they get divorced and how they make living from it.
Yeah.
And also, they put the different colors.
I will explain. So here when it start, here the end. But some TV say one carpet you have two passes is made for us. This carpet make it about two women. How? Or we stand in the middle. One we can left touch and left, and one we can right touch the right. We painted from man from Berber from like tiger.
Wow. That's amazing.
All that. You need to be careful.
The water, if you wanted to walk in the water, it's not that deep.
Now we can walk for yourself. Okay. Just say 10 dirhams.
Oh, I thought he said something else. Okay. Thank you so much. Ooh, I got some fresh orange juice. Yeah, struggling to get on this bridge, and they don't give a damn. They're gonna ask you to buy their product no matter what you doing. I'm not even gonna accept his help because he gonna want money, and I don't have it. Dar Hey. About to finally get some food. We hungry. Our feet hurt. I'm just ready to sit down. I got a pee.
I'm sorry.
You can do it. They scared to walk on. Oh, who you talking to? I'm your honey. I'm your honey.
Okay, 9.
Cool. Good. Y'all good? Y'all good? Had a long day.
And then that's when we were at the mosque.
Oh, y'all look gorgeous.
So all of us had our outfits and stuff over there, right?
That's so pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, now I really want to go.
Going out.
Let's see. Tomato salad. I always gotta smell my food because I'm allergic to so much. Oh, thank you.
Your mom, she probably kicking back.
Bon appetit. So that's thank you in what, in Berber language? Or what? And what?
Tanmirt.
Oh.
Thank you, it means tanmirt. And in Arabic, shukran.
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 Are you married, Aziz?
Yes. I have 2 children, 1 boy and 1 daughter.
She said, how many wives do you have?
1, only 1.
Seriously? Bet.
Yeah, very tired. That food was delicious. That's what I'm talking about.
We're back to Marrakech.
Okay.
All good?
Yeah. Okay.
Have a good night.
Oh yeah.
How do you give you a review? How do you do that?
Review, I will send her a link.
Beautiful ladies. Beautiful. Y'all look good. Y'all look good. Peacock. How do you call a peacock? But not don't chase me. I hope he ain't watching me walk away. And y'all still gonna sit somebody on here? He don't feel good. Oh. Oh, I would not want to get on him. He don't feel good, can't you tell? Lord protect me while I'm on this camel now. Be good to me, camel. I love you. I'm sending you good energy. You know, I hope they're treating you well. Y'all behind me say hey. Hey. Y'all in front of me say what's up. Yes, Tish Travels. You feel me? Hey, boy.
Okay? Bye-bye. See you in Marrakech, inshallah.
So, you know, before, when you, I mean, a lot of years ago, when you, the man want to marry, you should be to give him like some animals, sheep or girl.
Oh, dowry, yes.
That is why I ask you.
Right?
But with the camel, you are rich.
Oh, wow. Okay. I'm sure your picture. Yeah. I don't understand how I made such a mess. Like, my stuff is everywhere. I'm about to clean up. Don't worry. Like we've been here for not even 2 full days. We got here yesterday. My stuff just everywhere. It's because of all of the excursions. Okay, like. As soon as we got here, we had barely any time. My hair growing. Ooh. It's on my collarbone. When we first got here, we barely had any time to get to the first excursion. I had to get in here, hurry up and shower with no towel.
You don't need a towel at home.
Stop fucking lying.
I know, I know how much that pisses you off.
Who called me? Yeah, we ain't had no time, and today had to get up early as hell, and the excursion was long as hell, so that's why the room is a mess.
Hello, Mrs. Smith.
Hola. Thanks for tuning in. Bye, Morocco. Bye, Marrakech. Thank you. On our way to catch a flight to Amsterdam.
Ja, jeg har en sang, den er rimelig lam. Det er jeg vil fange det, der jeg hitter på min tam. Du skal op og sidde på min pind, jeg vil ikke forsvinde.